Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to explain how you can start faceless channel. For those of you that really want to start cashing out on YouTube but you don't want to show your face, you are too scared to face camera, you are too shy to talk. So in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can start a faceless channel. You don't have to show your face at all, you don't have to show yourself, and you can be cashing out. Let's go into it. Let's say you want to start a motivational story channel. You can just ask ChatGPT to please generate 20 unique and catchy names for my new motivational YouTube channel, and ChatGPT is going to bring different ones for you. So it is just left to you to pick anyone that you like and use it to create your channel. That's your channel's name. Then the next thing is branding. You have to customize your channel. You can go and design your banner image, your profile picture. You can go and do all of that on Canva. Then you upload it and your channel is ready. So this is how you're going to now start posting on it. The first thing is script writing. You need that story, like the story that you are going to put, and give it the popularity of teaching in the realm of motivational content. We are going to use ChatGPT. Go ahead to your browser and type ChatGPT. When you get there, just ask this: generate 5 motivational short stories ideas that use Zen teachings as their core themes. Each short story should incorporate these teachings into the everyday challenges and situations that a typical person might face. And when you get the ideas, go through it and see any one of them that you like so that you can work with it. And the one I think I'm going to use here is the baboon and the storm. So let's go ahead and work with this. Next thing to do is to ask ChatGPT again to write short story about the baboon and the storm. And let's wait for the answer. So here is the story, and all you have to do is to go through it. If you're okay with it, then you copy it. And the next step is voiceover. And what we are going to use is 11 Labs. Go over to your browser, type 11 Labs, and click on this particular one that has blue tick. So when you open it, you're going to see Get Started. Click on the Get Started free, and as you can see, it shows good afternoon Yetunde, because I've already signed up. So if you have not, you're going to see a place to sign up your account with your Google account. So after that, click on the 3 dots and you're going to see text to speech. Click on it and paste the story that we just copied from ChatGPT. Paste it here now. After that, you can go through other settings like the voice, the age, the gender, and the settings like the voice stability, the speed, and all of that. Then after that, you click on generate. This is going to take some time, just hold on for it.
Passenger seat held the remains of 15 years of her life. Family photos, awards, desk trinkets.
When you are satisfied with the speech, then you can go ahead and download it. Click on download and it will be saved to your file. And the next thing to do is to generate image, and we are going to use Leonardo AI. So go to your browser and type Leonardo AI, and it's going to pop up like this. Calm down for it to load up. If you have not signed up, you would see a space where you are supposed to sign up. If you have signed up, then just continue. Click on the image. It would load up. You would see a box where you're supposed to type prompt. To get a perfect illustrative of the images that you want, you would have to go back to ChatGPT and type, I'm looking for illustrative imagery to accompany each key moment of this short story. To achieve this, I plan to utilize Leonardo AI, an AI image generator. Please provide specific prompts for each images to guide the generation process. Don't mention the name of a person in the prompt, and you click OK. ChatGPT has suggested the key moments of the short story. So all you have to do is to copy it, and you can even make it short. So you copy it and go back to Leonardo AI to paste it. After you have pasted it, you can now scroll up and you would see create. So you click on create and you hold on here, you're going to see your pictures
you scroll up and see all of them. So after that, you're going to long press on each one of it and save to photos. Like that, it would save to your photo gallery. And the next step is video editing. This part we would be using CapCut. So you open CapCut, click on new project and import all the pictures that we downloaded from Leonardo AI. After that, you click on sound. Then you click on device, select it. It will take you to your files. So you are going to see the audio that we generated from the 11 lab. Then after that, you are going to click on it and automatically it would add to your editing.
Elena sat in her car, staring blankly at the rain on her windshield. The cardboard box in the passenger seat.
So the next thing is caption. We are going to add auto caption. Just click on the caption and CapCut is going to show you varieties of the one that you want. Then you're going to click on any of them that you like. After that, you wait for some minutes and you're going to see your captions. You can make some corrections if needs be. And the next thing is sound. And the best place to get free sound is from YouTube audio library. Open your dashboard, click on the audio and download any sound of your choice. The sound would be saved to your files. So after you have downloaded it, go back to CapCut, click on sound and click on device. You're going to see the audio that you just saved from YouTube audio library. So just click on it and it will be added to your video that you are editing.
Elena sat in her car.
You can reduce the volume if it is too loud so that it can align with the video that you are editing. And the next thing is to click on export and save your video to your gallery, and we should have something like this at the end.
Elena sat in her car, staring blankly at the rain on her windshield. The cardboard box in the passenger seat held the remains of 15 years of her life. Family photos, awards, desk trinkets, and a farewell card signed by people who barely looked her in the eye that morning. The words, "Department Restructuring," echoed in her head, sterile and hollow. She had poured herself into that job. Late nights, missed holidays, promotions she fought tooth and nail for. And now, she was discarded like an old email. With nowhere else to be, she found herself driving aimlessly, winding through side streets until she reached the edge of the